This free video is brought to you by the Team Topologies Academy. Our goal is to help organizations become more effective and more humane. If you find this video helpful, we would love for you to check out and recommend our Academy content.
Let's start by defining what cognitive load is and why this is important at the team level, especially for the kind of streamlined teams we talked about earlier. The Australian psychologist John Sweller defined cognitive load for an individual as the total amount of mental effort being used in the working memory. Cognitive load plays an important role in activities that require mental agility, such as software development. People working in user experience pay special attention to the amount of cognitive demand on customers when using their products. They actively try to minimize that load in order to provide a more pleasant experience. Unfortunately, organizations don't always focus on the cognitive load of their own teams when creating and running software services. The maximum cognitive load for any given team is the combined cognitive or brain capacity of all team members. One team's maximum cognitive load will be different from others. For example, a team of experienced engineers will have a higher cognitive capacity than will a team of junior engineers. In a world of you build it, you run it, where the whole team is responsible for the successful operation of software services, it is imperative to remove unnecessary barriers to the team owning the services they're responsible for. Teams need to have sufficient capacity to understand those services well. Excessive cognitive load is therefore a barrier that works against effective team ownership and supportability of software services. Over the years, we've seen many teams successfully delivering high-value services only to become overburdened as new services or responsibilities kept getting allocated to the team. Victims of their own success, the accrued cognitive load on these teams goes well above their capacity. Keeping team cognitive load under control is therefore a critical factor for high-performing teams to stay high-performing.